made a small order on Temu, mostly of wintery and Christmassy supplies for journaling, scrapbooking, creative journaling, whatever you want to call it. I called it sticking things to paper. I haven't filmed a video with a Blue Yeti in a while because it frustrates me, the fact that I can't figure out how to make it sound good. Let's see how this goes. We will clear out the mess and then take it from there. See you in a bit. This is Squishy, which from the first time I used it I called it Squishy the Tiger, but afterwards I realized that he's actually a lion, but decided that that is going to be his stage name because he is the star of this channel. So Squishy the Tiger welcomes you back. I decided to start with the non-Christmassy things that I got first because they are less than the Christmassy and wintry things. So I've been wanting this set of PET tapes for a while, and I finally got them, and my first impression was not great because they seem to be a little bit faded. We are going to open one and see if I am right or not. So let's see. Okay, we have a missing spot here for some reason. I think they look decent. I wish they would have been more vibrant in color, but they will do, let's see. My bad. There wasn't a missing spot. It got stuck on this thing that they use to tape the tapes to make them stick together as a roll. Landscape stickers, so I'm gonna show you the back of them so that you can see what is in each little pack, but I'm gonna open just one because otherwise this video would take hours and I don't think we want that. As most of my supplies this time are wintery, I'm gonna open the winter one and see what we have here. Next one is also a ET tape. I think it's pre-cut. We will see in a second. It's very long, as you can see. Don't ask me for measurements. I know how to convert stuff from the metric your system. Sorry. Okay, so these are long ones. I have no idea why I got him. Probably because I have been meaning to do a black and white spread for a while, and I've estimated that I don't have enough black and white things. Let's take a look. I hope it's close enough to the camera, because if I... Oh, okay, we can see it like this too. They're pretty nice, and I really like the fact that they are pre-cut. That's pretty awesome. So, these are the tapes. Pretty. Of course I got some gems, because you can never have enough gems, I guess. And I don't have different shaped gems. I have round ones, so I thought to get this one, see how it goes with it, if I like it or not. So, gems, sparkles. Next, I got these two tiny books. One is with stickers, well, sticker type of pages, and this one is paper. If you've been watching my videos, my shorts actually, I don't do a lot of long form yet. You know, I love my mini journals. This one is paper. It's very tiny, which makes me love it a lot. It's called the Green Forest Cabin. It has cabins and castles and shoes, apparently. Very good for making a tiny fantasy themed spread, I guess. Butterflies and all the nice stuff. And this one, from what it says on it, mini book, Forest Fairy stickers, 50 pieces. I think they're not, yeah, they're up, oopsie, they're not repeating. Each page is a different sticker. Very cute. Good for making, again, fantasy spreads or fairy themed. I just love miniatures. Look at this. He's so cute. Oh, adorable. Yes. Can't wait to make something with this. Since this one got torn, let's see. So yeah, sticker, kind of transparent, but I think it's fine. Tiny books. And since we're talking about tiny books, of course I needed tiny journal. I don't know, I call the ones that I already have tiny. I don't know. I'm gonna call this little thing. I'm sure you've seen people making really cute spreads on these little things. And I am brave enough to think that I'm gonna be able to do something with it. Yeah, I'm very curious how this will turn up. And I'm gonna film this. Since it's so tiny, if I put it here, I don't think it's very visible. But we'll figure it out. Anyhow, love it. So tiny and cute. You can use it as a keychain or something. Very nice.